Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Nessa. So today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video. I'm pretty sure that you guys already know what I'm going to be unboxing just because of the title. Alright, so this is your girl Nessa, if you haven't already know. And before I get right into this unboxing, please subscribe to my channel. Please follow me on Instagram and Snapchat. I'll have the information of that somewhere on the screen as well as in the description box down below. I am so excited to unbox this. I've been thinking about getting a new camera for the longest while, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Sony, what am I saying? My Canon. It's because I'm so used to my Sony A6000. That's the one I'm filming with right now. And yeah, so today I'm not going to be unboxing any Sony. I'll be unboxing my Canon EOS Rebel T7i. I probably should have known this off the bat instead of looking on the box, but it's all good. Alright, so I got this from Best Buy. As you can see, I haven't opened it or anything. It's still in the bag and all that good stuff. And I'm just going to go ahead and take it apart for you and you guys see. So, alright, so this is it. Like it's the, alright, so in it, have pamphlet on registering your camera. And then, I don't know what this is. Care, not really. And then I take it this is the manual. Look at this, look how thick this manual is. Well, small in size but thick, but has different languages, so yep. I'm not quite sure I'm going to be reading this. Y'all might want to read the instructions before you know, start using this. But I know for sure that I ain't going to be using it. That doesn't mean you have to follow me. You know what I mean? So, alright. This is what it looks like in the box. You can see. Alright, so this is the camera itself, the body of the camera. Comes in bubble wrap. Protect it. It's the bag right here. Alright, and so it has the cap on it, buttons, control buttons, which I'm gonna have to sit down and figure out. And then on the back, and of course you have the viewfinder once again, so you know you can open it up. You also turn it around. Oops. Alright. And then of course more buttons, so you need to know what each buttons are for. And then we have this little part right here with some ports. I believe one is for microphone, and I believe this one is for the remote. So for the remote, microphone, and then you have the alright, what the hell? This is the battery compartment right here. And then this is the card slot, the SD card slot. And then oh, and then you have this other part here with some more ports on the side. And this is the charging port, and then the HDMI port. Alright, so this is just in case you want to hook it up to your TV or to an external monitor, whatever, you know what I mean? And yeah. Okay, so that's it for the body of the camera. And then have the battery right here. So this is the battery pack. And then you have the lens. So this is a standard lens that comes with it, and it's 18 to 55 millimeters. Yeah. So as you can see, they protected both sides with caps on them. So, yep, it's a good move. And this is the little battery charger. Okay, so battery charger, battery in here, and then plug this part into the wall. Alright, is there anything else in the box? Okay, and then strap. I was wondering if they had given me one, but yeah. And this is a strap for it, which I am definitely gonna use just because I know I have butterfingers, so yeah. Alright guys, so as you can see, I took some footages here for you guys, some images I should say. Alright, so I am not all that knowledgeable about cameras. I just know that I want something for my YouTube and to take bomb ass pictures. So I'm just showing you the quality of the camera, and yeah, so this is just my little unboxing video, nothing special. So yeah, what I need to do now is figure out the setup I'm going to use when I'm making my my hair and my makeup videos. So that's about it, guys. So yeah. All right, so again guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next videos. Bye y'all.